Now we are going to look at how we can combine both the the Euclidean distance and the Excel solver to find for the cost and the locations. So for the location, we'll be using the solver, and for determining this dn or the distance, we'll be using the Euclidean distance. Now let's go direct to finding the distance using the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance, you know, it's that like is equals to the square root, open the first bracket, this one, and bracket for xn minus this location that we don't have, that will be obtained through Excel solver. Lock it up by pressing F4, close the bracket, raise it to power 2. Then we have to add this yn minus the another the location that is not also find. We lock it up, we raise it to power 2, then we close the brackets. And that is Excel, we find E19. Let's confirm that is okay. We are doing E19 minus E31 raised to power 2. Then we have the F19, correct, minus F31, correct. And now we autofill. Let's now use autofill. And that is the autofill. Now let's find the cost, which is equal to sum product of dollar per ton miles. Then sorry, you don't have to go up to, it's up to 19. Then tons, and then the distance. And okay, now we have to find the location. That's where the solver comes. So you put data, then solver, then we are setting this cell, that is cell E32, we are setting it to mean, and then changing constraints, we're changing this variable, this and this, and make sure that this is grg and linear, then click solve. Okay, and now that should be your solution. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode, the next video. Thank you.